pick is in. Romeo Langford off the board to the Boston Celtics. So another wing here for the Celtics. Langford, who battled through that injury, he did not shoot well this year, Jimmy. I think that was a big reason why, was that thumb injury.
Yeah, I had Langford down at, it looks like 17 on my big board, and I'll tell you why. It was that, exactly. Now, he's a great athlete, probably one of the quickest, if not the quickest. No, not the quickest. He's got one of the quickest first steps in the NBA draft.
I like that.
I do love his athleticism, but he's still pretty raw. And he kind of reminds me, not defensively as much, offensively, though, Jaylen Brown. So don't love the pick, don't hate the pick. I'll give it a C+.
What about like a Kentavious Caldwell-Pope? Was a name I thought of.
Hopefully better than that. I think he can be better than that. I think he's a better finisher around the rim than Caldwell-Pope. But, man, that three-point shot because of that injury was abysmal.
The emojis I'm seeing are not positive.
We do have a lot of Celtics fans watching tonight. I've seen a lot of Boston Celtics fans watching, tuning in.
So Langford there. So, again, he's kind of a key fit there. Still no point guard for Boston. Still no big man. But they do have several other picks here coming up. So Langford off the board to the Boston Celtics at number 14 overall. Frankly, I don't know where you slot him in your lineup right now unless you're going to trade away somebody.
Here's something that wouldn't surprise me is Gordon Hayward stays coming off the bench. Jaylen Brown is your starting forward, and Romeo Langford are both there. That would not surprise me, but right now I would still put Hayward in the starting lineup. I would love to pull up my best available right now because there are a lot of guys that are still on the board that, frankly, shouldn't be on the board.
All right, so grade the pick here. A, B, C, D, or F. What you got?
I'll give it a C+.
It's fair.
I know we don't have the plus minuses on here, but I'll give it a C+. I didn't hate the pick. Don't love it.
All right, folks, let us know what you guys think in the comments section.